Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial video. After loading the training dataset in Step 1, we will need to configure the neural network structure in Step 2. DL Hub has simplified this process with graphical representative information. Users only need to select suitable layers from the list of functions in the left-hand panel. DL Hub supports from core to advanced layers so that you can design any deep learning structure for training. Selecting your layers and adjust their parameter to suit your model, or you can leave it as default. Then add them to the deep learning structure by clicking Add button. Continue this process until all necessary layers have been added. You can use the toolbar to rearrange layers, duplicate or delete layers if needed during this process. After that, you can save this deep learning structure for later usage. With this utility, DL Hub allows users to share their neural network structures with each other. And at the same time, makes the designing process easier than ever. With inexperienced users, DL Hub supports deep learning templates for different applications. You just need to click on the Load Template button and select the suitable template. ANS Center will constantly update more templates for users on our website. Now I will begin creating a deep learning structure for my COVID detection task. As mentioned in Step 1, we will use the transfer learning technique to optimize the training process. Select the transfer learning model in the Advanced tab. I will choose model type ResNet with 18 layers. Depending on the application's requirement that you can choose other model types and layers. Then click Add to apply. Next, we choose dense layer with the number of nodes corresponding to the number of outputs, which are COVID and none. The activation function is softmax. After finishing, click on Verify Model to check the structure's correctness and make any adjustment if necessary. The system will require you to save the structure before verification. The good notification means that the structure is correct. So now we have completed Step 2 of the training process. Thank you for watching.